Have you ever wondered why Dalat City is a favorite among foreign tourists visiting Vietnam? Well, it's not just a single factor that makes this charming city a must-visit. A multitude of reasons work in harmony to attract visitors from all over the globe to this delightful city. First up, the weather. Dalat City, often referred to as the City of Eternal Spring, boasts an incredibly comfortable climate all year round. The city's average temperature is around 18 degrees Celsius, making it a refreshing retreat from the tropical heat that dominates most of Southeast Asia. Next, the flowers. Dalat is Vietnam's flower garden, offering a riot of colors and fragrances that will mesmerize any visitor. From the vast fields of hydrangeas to the quaint sunflower farms, the city is a paradise for flower enthusiasts and a dream for photographers. Then, there's the food. The rich soil and favorable climate of Dalat produce some of the freshest and most delicious fruits and vegetables in the country. Combine this with the city's unique culinary influences, and you have a food scene that is as diverse as it is delectable. But wait, there's more. The architecture in Dalat is a fascinating blend of French colonial style and traditional Vietnamese designs. This fusion of architectural styles gives the city a distinctive character and a timeless charm. And finally, the people. The locals in Dalat are known for their warmth and friendliness. They are always ready to share stories, help out, or simply share a smile. This genuine hospitality makes the city feel like a home away from home for many tourists. To recap, Dalat City is a favorite among foreign tourists visiting Vietnam due to its pleasant climate, beautiful flower gardens, delightful food scene, unique architecture, and the warm hospitality of the locals. Each of these factors contributes to the city's charm and allure, making it the perfect destination for tourists seeking a unique and memorable experience in Vietnam. So, pack your bags and get ready to explore the captivating beauty, taste the mouth-watering cuisine, and experience the warm hospitality of Dalat City. It's a journey that's sure to leave you with unforgettable memories and a longing to return.